Homecoming is one of the most anticipated events of the school year, and choosing the perfect dress is key to making a memorable impression. Whether you are going for a classic, elegant look or something more trendy and fun, there is a homecoming dress style to suit every personality. In this guide, we will explore a variety of homecoming dress styles, from timeless classics to modern trends, to help you find the perfect outfit for the big night. The A-line dress is a timeless choice for homecoming, offering a flattering silhouette that suits many body types with the fitted bodice that flares out at the waist. This style is both elegant and comfortable, making it a popular option for homecoming. Choose an A-line dress in a solid color like navy, burgundy, or emerald green for a sophisticated look. Add a pair of sparkling earrings and strappy heels to complete the ensemble. For those who want to show off their legs and dance the night away, a short homecoming dress is a perfect choice. This style is playful and fun, often featuring flouncy skirts, sequins, or lace. Opt for a short dress with a fitted bodice and a flared skirt for a flirty look. Pair it with high heels and a clutch bag. If you are feeling bold, choose a dress in a bright color or with eye-catching embellishments. Off-the-shoulder dresses are a chic and elegant choice for homecoming. This style highlights the neckline and shoulder, adding a touch of glamour to your look. An off-the-shoulder dress in a sleek fabric like satin or velvet is perfect for a sophisticated look. Keep accessories simple with a statement necklace or chandelier earrings and finish the look with a pair of elegant heels. If you want to make a statement and shine all night long, a sequin dress is the way to go. Sequins catch the light and add a touch of glitz and glamour to your homecoming outfit. Choose a sequin dress in a classic color like gold, silver, or black for a dazzling look. Pair it with neutral accessories to let the dress shine. A simple pair of heels and a clutch will complete the look without overwhelming it. Lace dresses exude romance and elegance, making them a great choice for homecoming. This style often features intricate lace details and soft feminine silhouettes. A lace dress in a soft pastel color like blush pink or lavender creates a romantic vibe. Pair it with delicate jewelry and nude heels for a refined and elegant look. For a more modern and daring look, consider a bodycon dress. This style is form-fitting and emphasizes your curves, perfect for those who want to make a bold statement. Choose a bodycon dress in a striking color like red or black. Pair it with stiletto heels and a bold lip color for a sleek and sophisticated look. A statement clutch can also add a pop of personality to your outfit. Two-piece dresses are a trendy and youthful option for homecoming. This style typically includes a crop top and a matching skirt, offering a modern twist on the traditional dress. A two-piece dress with a beaded or embellished top and a flowy skirt can be both fun and elegant. Pair it with simple accessories and let the outfit be the star of the show.